Mir's plan to use Oscar's own technology against him is inspired. Destroying the network from the outside in. Genius.
You were clearly a strong influence on her.
I never apologized to you for continuing my work on Project Illapa after your father left.
Helping me take down Zona Uno is apology enough.
I wish Miguel could see all you've accomplished here. You've grown into a strong man, Rico Rodriguez. And you are changing Solis for the better.
I'm changing Solis, all right. We'll see if it's for the better.
I'm sure we will. But first... Zona Uno.
Zona Uno.
You excited, Lanza?
To finish what I started years ago? Yes. To charge headlong into a sandstorm? Less so.
Don't forget all the trained soldiers who want to stop you.
I leave them to you.
Some Black Hand activity coming up ahead of your position.
Copy that. Just keep the train moving, Lanza. I'll deal with the Black Hand.
The cannon is all yours, my young friend.
Hostile in our area of operation.
Copy on hostile contact. Free to engage. Watch the right! Rico, on the road! A tank! Rico, on the tracks in front of us!
Shit.
Another barricade, Rico.
Keep going. I'll clear the way.
Rico, in front of us! Aye!
This train is heavily armored, Lanza.
I trust my design, but the explosion, the gunfire, it's unnerving.
You're doing fine.
Rico, in front of us!
I'll take care of it.
We're about to pass through a wave of the sandstorm.
I'm ready.
In all my years working on Zona Uno, I've never been inside one before.
What do you think?
It's hard to see.
Hostile hasn't re-engaged. Eyes open for further contact.
Passing through the sandstorm took a toll on the engines.
Can we keep moving?
See, I think so. We must be cautious. Rico, on the tracks!
Copy that. I'll clean this up.
Acknowledge. Intruder on site. All units engage.
Entering the sandstorm again. Hang on! The engine is taking a beating.
What's the matter?
Sandstorm is clogging the engine.
Hostile hasn't re-engaged. Eyes open for further contact.
Come on! Come on! Tommy!
We're seeding ducks. Can you repair the engines?
It will take a moment.
Do it. I'll cover you.
Tio, Rico. The Black Hand are scrambling bombers.
Shit. Work fast, Lanza.
Shoot straight, Rico.
Bombers, to the left of the train, Rico.
Here they come. How's it coming?
Still working. There's sand everywhere.
We knew we were taking this thing into a sandstorm, didn't we?
Well, there's a lot of sand.
Command, we have an intruder on site. Copy on hostile contact. Free to engage.
Almost there. Restarting. There. We can move.
No further contact. All units, stay alert.
You guys are almost to Zona Uno.
Come on, train. You can do this.
There it is, Lanza.
Full speed ahead. We did it!
Quite the welcoming committee.
Hold them off until the next wave of the sandstorm. Then you make your move.
Hostile in our area of operation.
Acknowledge. Intruder on site. All units engage.
Another wave coming. Be ready, Rico. Here we go. Find your way to the console I've marked.
Mira!
Working. There. Found the cooling units. I've lit up the access roads. Follow the lights on the ground. The cooling units keeping the core from overheating need to be destroyed.
Once they're destroyed, we use the floor I built into the system to ventilate the core.
Target's last known position was on site. Stand by.
Here's the cooling system.
Destroy it thoroughly.
That's how I roll. Son of a... One down. These things are tough, Lanza.
Gracias. I designed them myself.
You still need to take out the other two.
Found another one.
Destroy it, and there'll be just one left.
He's done.
Your enthusiasm for destruction is awe-inspiring.
You have no idea, Theo.
Wonder what this does.
Investigate. On my way.
Here's the last one. Systems are all destroyed.
Good. Return to the console and trigger the failsafe.
I'm on my way. Triggering the failsafe.
I'll check that out.
That's it! The core is bending!
Head back to the train.
Destroy the shielding! Give it everything you got!
All Black
I'm plugged into the network. Do you want to do the honors, Tio?
No, my work on Zona Uno is complete. I want to see what this program of yours can do.
Copy on hostile contact. Free to engage.